buttons because of the back roll animation.
Oh, what a parry!
Yeah, good stuff.
Oh, another one! Don't jump!
Oh! Let's go, Balti!
Oh my!
Round one.
Okay, so he did play Dragon Ball yesterday, but we'll see. Okay, it starts with the drop kick here. And early times.
Pressuring with the crouch medium kick there. Went for the parry.
Yeah, the
was not the time.
straight into command grab.
Mike's up. Gets the counter hit into command grab.
Yeah.
That's gonna do a lot.
A good start here from Civis. Oh, it just goes with the wingless. I don't know what that was all about. Splash from the air, and here comes Valky now. The C-Trigger 2, the rubbery is activated.
Will he be able to? Oh, what a block parry there.
Yeah, the air parry to the other side.
Went for the cross up.
Oh, the overhead.
There, the chair. She might not be able to punish because. Oh, excellent choice.
On reaction, she can parry it, but it's a little bit tricky. Like if they
These
release it early.
airplanes are going all over the place on this airbase. Yeah. What is happening? Oh, gets the counter hit.
Oh, okay, wakes up with the speech armor from the third frame.
Oh, I'm scared. Oh, again with the throw. Yeah, I think he has the right read on that one.
Oh,
again, yeah, very good, very good.
Valky's trying to put the brakes here. Okay.
Yeah, no break. Oh, another one of those. He needs to stop pressing the buttons on the jumps there. Go for an empty or two.
Airspace protected.
Yep. He's got those infrared goggles on. Can see everything.
My turn. Oh, what a jump. Good call out. And he's gonna get the corner here. And this is really scary. Comes again. Oh! Side switch. That was
that hurt. Actually didn't even... the icicle didn't even hit. But the side mix-up was too strong. He wasn't under any pressure, so he had the opportunity to jump out with the wingless airplane. Got the counter hit on the Irish whip, did not follow through.
Valky just completely ready now.
Yeah.
He has Parabellum in the corner. Guess for the game.
Overhead and to throw. Really well there.
No honor. Okay, finally transfers into the young form.
Yeah. Reads some buttons.
Oh my goodness gracious, they always wake up with those buttons because of the back roll animation.
Oh, what a parry!
Yeah, good stuff.
Oh, another one, don't jump!
Oh, let's go Balti!
Oh my
with
god!
The reads!
Woo! This early in the morning?
3 parries.
Holy!
And the winner of this match will possibly play against Yonsai, depending how Yonsai faces first against this round 1 opponent.
Oh my god, these parries are too on point. Oh, the low.
Sun is rising. Activation station. Okay, good reversal. He's out of that.
Oh, was that a punish?
I don't know.
It looked like it was.
Yeah, maybe on the landing frame. Oh wow. Here we go.
Oh!
Good block.
He blocked it. Very good.
A V-trigger string. If you approach block it, then Zeko can actually keep pressing the button.
Yeah. Oh, that's number 105. Maybe there.
It's really hectic now.
Yeah, I see what you mean with those slides.
Okay, good. Approaching fierce anti from Valky.
Fishing with that stand fierce. Oh, great neutral jump. Oh!
Right afterwards, the classic.
Yep. Gotta know about those.
Okay, pretty even Steven here. V-trigger activated.
He tried the overhead? That must have been an input error.
The thing is that Old sweep is only -8 on block. I think it's one of the best. Whoa! What? The EX. DP.
And still gets the punish after. How can you be this ready?
Yeah. Oh, what was that?
Crouch? Did he just do crouch heavy punch on wake up?
I have no idea what is going on. The air parry.
Can he EX parry the cross up? That's crazy. Oh, got the counter hit there. No confirmation.
And Valky does have the V-trigger available. There it is. Only one hit. Oh! And that.
Yeah. But still Valky is in the corner already. The counter conversion there though. Valky is still in the corner. Yeah. Even after all that jogging around. Nice. Now, ooh, and there we go. That's what I was talking about. Now you're kind of calling out. Nice. On your knees. And ooh. Bit flustered, I think.
Takes him.
Yeah. Getting the hits, but and yeah, that's done.
Yeah.
Yeah, playing a bit slow here.
Yeah. But that hard punch from Kolin doing a lot of work here.
It's a really good button, even without the need to the tooth property.
Oh, and gets the corner here because of that parry.
Okay. Yep. Again. Got throw loop. Oh,
the
good
Jimmy.
Jimmy.
And that's
then the
gonna be
big
the
stun. No, again.
Oh! That's one way to do it.
Yeah.
This time the hard kick connects. Counter it, but not the proper conversion. Oh, that's punishable. Only a jab though. Good.
Yeah.
And he has V-trigger.
Activation. Yeah.
Oh, good block by John.
Yeah, good guess. Oh no.
Rolls into the corner. And now the escape options are very, very limited here.
Yeah.
Kolin does have the double jump, which is useful in this situation. Speed scale through.
Yeah.
That is one really... Oh, and another parry! Okay, so I remember Vauti got 4 of those in a row earlier today. So we will see how many of it is definitely the right call.
Oh, and that's a punish.
Every time.
And good interrupt.
Oh, beautiful overhead there. Forward heavy punch into the tornado.
Yep.
Or the spinning mixer rather.
And activation. Doesn't quite manage to get that far, but...
When he does that dive kick, he's doing constantly there that the score back at 1-1.
But this time, the last time... Well, we'll see.
Yeah.
Oh, base skill again.
Skill is so good there. Valix respecting the hail.
Well, Balti with a full bar though. Oh, what a neutral jump.
That's gonna hurt.
Light hands.
Sets up the hail for free get in there because of the back roll.
Sweep into V-trigger, and now it's Wallis's turn.
Look at this interrupt.
It isn't. And this might also be canceling the super.
Yeah.
But not the
correct decision.
Yeah. Okay. Again, the B skill.
His hit percentage on that is ridiculous at the moment.
Yeah, it's probably 100% at the moment.
Yeah. And you see now he's more aware of using these parries on wake up because he's scared of. Oh, since he got hit earlier here. What a check there.
And now it's Walti's turn.
Oh, almost.
Walix also has a trigger, and now
that is minus. You can stop that every time. But you have to know about it. It doesn't look minus when he comes hurtling down from the sky at you, so I completely understand. Oh, no anti-air. Almost for the grab.
Oh, let's jump in. Oh. Back and we are and then
chip is available here.
And is that gonna chip?
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't chip. Valix was trying to jump out.